Make 150 a day using AI to create children's books, no writing needed. People are using AI to publish children's books on Amazon and making hundreds every month. Let me show you how to do it for free. Don't know how to write or draw? Doesn't matter. AI handles the story, the images, even the formatting. This is one of the easiest passive income hustles out there. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Use Chat to write a short story prompt. Write a 10-page children's story for ages 4 to 6 about a brave rabbit who saves the forest. Step 2. Use AI to create illustrations. Use tools like Bing Image Creator, Ideogram, or Leonardo.ai. Free prompt. Cute watercolor illustration of a rabbit in a magical forest. Children's book style. Step 3. Design book. In Canva free, choose a storybook templated, your AI text and image export as PDF print file. Step 4. Upload to Amazon KDP free. Go to KDP Amazon.com, choose paperback or ebooks at price. 6. $99.99 and royalties. Make a full series, same character, new adventures. Kids love sequels, and Amazon loves consistent uploads. This is one of the best faceless passive income models right now. Hit subscribe, and I'll show you how to scale it with AI ads and coloring books next.